Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open bonnet on Porsche Boxster with flat battery, easy method. Stand at the front center, peer into the grille, and insert a long tool to reach the emergency release cable. Pull the cable firmly until the bonnet pops, then walk to the side, lift the bonnet from the center, and secure it with the prop rod. I will describe safe angles and gentle pulls to avoid damage. Gather a long flat screwdriver or thin pry tool, plus gloves and eye protection before you start. Approach the grille gently and keep hands clear of pinch points when the bonnet releases. If the cable feels stuck, pause and try a different angle rather than forcing it, and inspect for fraying to prevent breakage. I'll guide you through safe probing, the right force to use, and how to protect trim and paint. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which fits cup holders and keeps water cold during long repairs. It's handy when crawling under bumpers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one for your toolbox. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by checking clearance around the grille and remove any obstructing trim if needed. Insert your tool carefully, locating the cable loop and pulling in a steady, controlled motion until the latch releases. If the bonnet only pops slightly, have an assistant lift while you maintain tension on the release to fully free the catch. I'll explain how to reach awkward spots and how to avoid breaking plastic clips during the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.